Hello, and welcome back to GW Add-ons. We love hearing from our community, and today, we've gathered your most frequently asked questions to help you get the very best out of SmartForm Publisher. From troubleshooting markers to mastering advanced workflows, let's dive in. Question 1. I installed the add-on, but I don't see the sidebar. Where is it? Great question. In Google Forms, all add-ons live under the puzzle piece icon at the top of your screen. Simply click it, select SmartForm Publisher, and hit Open. If you don't see the puzzle piece yet, try refreshing your browser page. Sometimes Google needs a quick nudge to show your new tools. Question 2. Why is my data not appearing in the final document? The most common culprit is a marker mismatch. Your markers must match your form questions exactly. That includes spaces and capitalization. If you change a question in your form, don't forget to update your template and click Refresh Markers in the sidebar to sync the changes. Question 3. My emails aren't sending or are going to spam. Help! First, check your response sheet. SmartForm Publisher logs every delivery. If you see an error there, verify that your Send To field is mapped to the correct email question. Also, suggest that your recipients check their promotions or spam folders, as automated emails can sometimes be filtered by strict providers. We hope these tips help you master your document automation. For more in-depth guides, visit our Help Center at gwaddons.com. Install SmartForm Publisher today and unlock your team's full potential. Visit us at gwaddons.com or find us on the Google Workspace Marketplace.